Okay, so this is a little weird.
What happened? Oh my god. How the hell did that happen? Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got Casper with me, and we're going off-road. It has been a while. Where have you been?
Daily Drives, the other channel.
Yes.
Will be downstairs.
You check the link under the yes, down there.
The description.
Yes. Now we're driving on the on our favorite roads where we do our daily drive stuff, getting to the desert, and over there's a little off-road park-ish that we usually go to. We took the Jeep there before, we took the Suzuki, we took the Jimny, the Super Safari, like a lot of reviews we did there, as well as when we drove there together when you were driving the Wrangler.
Well, we do say that, but that is the only place we have on this island,
pretty much. There's more places, but they're in restricted areas. So yeah, so today we're just gonna go and test the 4-inch suspension, see how it does, see how the tires do in the sand. I have a feeling that they'll do better than the previous truck. It might also do worse, we don't know. That's why we're going to find out.
Well, that's why you brought me.
Yes.
Yeah,
you're gonna pull the truck out if something goes wrong.
B52 style.
Well, that's the thing. Like, this thing does sound like a B52 bump or like a turboprop or something now. And the tires have gotten louder.
It did get louder, that's for sure.
And it wasn't this loud when I picked them up. They're getting louder while they're being kind of settled in, or whatever you call it, driven in.
Imagine having this noise and the hum that we experienced from the hood.
And what else we find out after this thing has been lifted.
Well, the thing is, it's already rattling, but the rattle we know, it's from the trailer hitch, so that's fine. That's not a big issue. But that's pretty much it. So I was just saying earlier, if you ever do any long road trips, you know, noise cancelling headphones, here we come.
Yes.
Because this guy also wants to go to Dubai again to buy 37s, which he can mount himself because I'm not blowing up another tire.
First, we're gonna hit some like rocky bits here. We're gonna go through sand, and then sand and rocks, and then a little bit of hills, and see what this truck is capable of.
And see.
See.
Oh, and see what this. I thought
yes.
you want to go into
no,
that.
no. We're gonna avoid salt as much as we can.
Why are you indicating? What, a camel's gonna come running by?
Yes,
Like,
yes.
excuse me, please, pass.
Well, I can't see where I'm going right now, so I don't know if there's a drop here. This would be the place where like having the 360 camera would be nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see the angle.
Okay, you're gonna go that route, are we?
Yes, we're gonna take the man route. Oh, there's a heavy drop there. I think you might need to spot me.
But that's why I came to this with this excursion.
I believe so.
Wait, hold on. Last time we were here, you went down and you clunk. Okay, enough. There you go. Keep going. Easy.
Good?
Like it never happened. Well, there's no side step and it's elevated, so it's just you have to do the whole. Alright.
Was there still enough space underneath?
More than enough.
Alright.
This thing's got a lot of space. The problem is, definitely one of the issues is the camera. Because it would be nice to kind of get an idea of what's around you.
The 360 camera, like the Limited gets that.
Yeah.
And you're most likely not going to take the Limited off-road as it comes with 20 or 22-inch wheels, right?
Yeah.
So why wouldn't they give it to the off-road version that could actually really use it? See how it does.
You're still in 4-wheel.
No, I'm in 2. But I want to see how it does on a bit of a faster speed.
Holy hell. Okay.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yep, air suspension is still intact. Nothing blew up. We're good.
I was glad. So you were going 60 at some point.
Yep. Well, you don't feel like jolted because you get seasick. I mean, seasick?
No, I don't get seasick.
Car sick.
No, a little, but when you're sitting in the driver's seat, you kind of have the steering wheel to hold on to.
Mm-hmm.
When you're in the passenger seat, you're like that. With this suspension, you don't get that feeling.
Ah, okay.
So it's nice.
It's nice and comfortable. So it's more comfortable off-road than it is on-road.
Yes.
Yes. Research. Let's do some more. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is the tree of life. The tree in the middle of the desert where nothing grows.
Except for this one tree, which they water occasionally.
Oh, well, I mean, you're not supposed to say that.
But see, this is the shame. So you see that, the tree of life right there, and right there you've got a gas rig. Not even, what, a kilometer maybe?
Yeah.
Eh.
I didn't know that. That's a new one.
That is new.
That's a new one.
I haven't seen that before. I haven't been here in a while though, that's for sure.
But to get here to the tree of life, it's easy. Most cars can do it. People come here with like normal sedans and stuff. To get where we're going to, you need to kind of pass it and then continue for like another, what, 10 minutes or something? That's all it is. And make sure you have good all-wheel drive, because Faisal's car went one way and the second way the all-wheel drive system overheated. Getting there is difficult because of the fine sand you get over there because of the tank tracks.
Nice.
Are you comfortable there, buddy?
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Strapped in.
Yep.
Ready to go. This is the car that's gonna be in front, so if the Mazda can do it and this chute is positive, then there's no point in getting this. Yeah, Mazda can do anything, especially with the Saudi driver.
Yeah.
Khalid and Faisal,
Yeah.
you have a beautiful smile.
Yes.
And biceps. God damn.
He's doing it 4-wheel drive now. 2-wheel drive doesn't work. The most annoying sound on it because it gets absolutely everywhere.
Yeah, let's get to this little hump over here, which on camera looks kind of small, but like when you're in this thing, it's not the smallest.
Goddamn. Piece of cake.
Yeah, easy, right? But like when you see it from the inside, it looks like, oh, that's a big. If you're used to driving a car, not a off-road vehicle, because I'm no professional. The professional is right now holding the camera. Yes, he's taken this truck to victories in Saudi Arabia, abroad in many countries.
This thing has a lot of potential. Definitely rides a lot better than it used to.
Oh yeah.
That I'm not
Off-road?
gonna- Yeah.
Right. For sure. Like it's so much softer, right?
Yeah.
There's no like big blow or anything like that. You can go into the sandier parts and see how it... Easy, right?
This thing just needs to dig, 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 dig. As a passenger, this road is shit. I mean, I have to bleep that.
It's very hot today. I mean, it's what, 45 degrees now?
As it says
Celsius?
right there, yes, 45 degrees, and I can't seem to shake a hand, but yes, it's 45 degrees. It's so bumpy. It doesn't look this bumpy.
No, it's not. It doesn't look it at all, but like it is really... All right, here we got some really thin sand.
We're gonna have to maintain power.
Easy. This is the area where the fun begins. So, first little obstacle here.
Oh no, sky.
So far, so good. It's really
Well,
easy.
it hasn't. There's nothing really that's challenging.
Nothing.
That's the thing.
Nothing. So we need to go and find something that will.
Like tiny little trails, but we usually try and come here in the winter because when it rains, it becomes a little bit more interesting. But
Can't see anything either. Yeah.
okay, that's fine.
Yeah. I mean, like it takes the steps really nicely.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful. So this is sand and a turn, and then uphill. Let's see.
Oh, thick sand.
That's skateboarding.
Very good.
Wow.
Very.
That did not feel like it. I thought it was gonna hit something.
There you're gonna hit the drive shaft.
Oh, yeah, I mean, well, it has a skid plate underneath, so it shouldn't have that problem. Oh, and then here we go.
As if a walk in the park. And he's goddamn left me.
Yeah, but I want to sit here and then see if I can unstuck myself.
All right, we're just saying I'm saying this on camera. If something happens, you're digging.
It's fine.
All right.
All right, so we're... Oh, easy.
All right, easy.
All right.
Challenge.
Never mind.
Well, that's the thing about that's the good thing about mud tires. Unfortunately, there's a big, claw. Okay, stop. Turn off the engine for a sec. So this is a little weird.
What happened? I heard this freaking clunk. Did I hit the...
No, so it's gonna be quite a nasty one to show. And I don't know why this is happening.
What happened?
So this skid plate is rubbed against
You can't...
the drive shaft. You can see here quite a serious scratch on this.
Oh, damn.
And it's hitting on this because of the flex. Which is kind of weird because it's not even that serious of an incline.
What? Wait, look.
That's not that serious of an incline. We've done this with much easier cars.
We've done this with this truck before, actually. We've done worse with it.
That's weird as hell.
Yeah, so I was driving, wanted to film the articulation bit, see how far it can go, and then I hear inside this. Is that because of the tires being too big? Because I can imagine if we put 37s on it, it's gonna be even more because there's more being pushed up and it's pushing.
There's contact radius on the tire, wheel connected to the axle, so the axle's doing this, which means the drive shaft is moving.
It's twisting.
Depending on how the axles are moving, because it's independent. No, this is.
Yeah, it's not independent.
It's not independent.
It's a live
It's
axle.
Live axle. So for that reason, you're doing this. If you got something in the middle, it is going to move up, down, one way or another. It's never going to be straight unless you get a two-piece drive axle. I did not expect that. Honestly, I thought it would happen with maybe something like this, like really heavy, like.
No, but like if the front and back are aligned on the bump, so if you're going down a hill and there's like a bump that's horizontal, it's fine. It's when it twists. So when you twist the axle and you twist the drive shaft, oh my God. How the hell did that happen? All right, so first of all, I need to message BDS and say,
Just
ask them and say if there's anything that needed to be modified that we overlooked. Well as, I don't know, I need to see if the drive shaft is okay.
Well, email BDS it is.
Yeah, but
Everything
BDS
else-
doesn't say that you can have these white tires on it. So I don't know if that's the reason why, or, well, I didn't know it was gonna end this way. But yeah, I need to figure out how we get out of here now.
Reverse.
Yeah, reverse, and then we'll go to SMS. We'll cut the skid plate, and we'll come back and see if it worked. We have our solution. I don't think anyone has had this problem. I need to do some research. But
If you do have anyone that has faced the same thing, do comment down below and let us know.
yeah, thank you so much for joining and watching this episode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you had this issue. If not, I will be trying to find out if anyone else had it and see how we can prevent it from happening again. Thank you, Casper, for your help. We'll see you next time.
Adios!